Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to share with you a very simple tutorial that if you want to remove this kind of icon, which is Gemini in Chrome icon, Gemini in Chrome. If you want to tidy up your what is called the start bar? No. This is the sticky bar or something. I'm not really sure. If on here you couldn't see any exit option, what you can see is settings, customize keyboard shortcut, and then toggle blah blah blah. You just click settings, and then you will be redirected to the Google Chrome settings, and then you could find the tray. Where is the tray? See this one, show Gemini in system tray and turn on keyboard shortcut. If you turn it off, it will be gone on your tray like this, and I would rather like that because I don't want too many messy apps on here, because this is really important. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye bye.